Okay, well, if you like Barbra Streisand, that's for you. So, what do we have here? We have a very interesting radio that I picked up on the internet. It's a Sony SRF-M100 FM and AM stereo radio. How's that? This is made by Sony, and not only does it pick up FM and AM, it also picks up TV sound or analog TV sound. And it works perfectly. I got this online and it actually works. But it's not illuminating in stereo or picking up stereo broadcasts. I saw the light come on once on AM, but not on FM. So there's obviously a problem. So I need to open it up and take a look-see.
Between England and Wales. Wait a minute.
It's a great shame that AM is pretty much dead in England. And I don't really get much in the way of skips from the continent, or anywhere else for that matter, so I generally have to generate my own signals. Okay, so let's get this open and see what's going on. And, sometimes I got the wrong, there we go. Those are the right screwdrivers. So we're going to open this together. What actually happened was I was scouring the internet and I found, I was just looking through CD Walkmans. I was thinking about getting a CD Walkman, but they all seem to be pretty much finished now in terms of their ability to function, because they all seem to have all sorts of issues. And I saw a CD Walkman that I didn't really know what to think about, and next to it was this radio, and it wasn't even mentioned in the listing. And I saw my favorite words, AM stereo and AM stereo, and I thought, I need to try and get this radio. So I took a punt. I think I spent about £25 on the auction, plus a ridiculous amount on shipping. And then after that, let's just open this up a little bit more. I don't know what we're going to find in here, but my suspicion is it's a capacitor problem. Is it a problem I can fix? Well, that's another story. But at least I need to take a good look and see inside here what is going on, so that I can make an informed decision. I mean, obviously the fact that it's working is a good sign, but let's see here. There's another screw inside here, just over there. And okay, we've officially got it open, and I'm pleased to say it doesn't look that terrible over here, but I can't help but wonder why it's not picking up a stereo signal.
A step or two away from the craziness of the day. The best selection of 80s hits from the station that you rely on. Magic 80s Florida.
Okay, so here's an update. I've been twiddling around with it for a bit, and I had to plug in headphones to do it, because it's very hard to twiddle these pots and hear if it's switched to stereo at the same time. But as it turns out, I didn't really need to do much. I literally twiddled this pot, it's actually a capacitor, a minuscule slice to the right, and the stereo pulled right back in. So obviously this is the oscillator. Maybe the capacitor's drifted slightly, but not enough to warrant me pulling that out. That's very fine surgery. I'm very glad it's not a surface mount capacitor, I will tell you that. Anyway, so that's been done, and if you look around the front, the stereo light is very much happy again. So I'm well pleased. I'm going to put that back together now. This is also quite a cool thing I've just noticed. If you plug in the headphones, it shows stereo. But if you unplug the headphones, it shows mono. So that's pretty awesome. So it actually knows that that's a stereo signal, and you need to play a stereo signal through headphones, but that's pretty impressive. Very nice.